Hey, my name is Paul Borosky, and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is introduce you all to my Nail Salon business plan template. And so the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, what I'll do is I'll introduce you all to the Nail Salon business plan template that I offer. I'll walk you all through the Word document, show you what's included, and then I'll also introduce you all to the financial model, which is an Excel spreadsheet. Again, I'll show you what's included in the template as well for the spreadsheet. All right, so and then at the end of the video, if you're interested, here is the link to purchase my Nail Salon business plan template. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, doctoral candidate. I am a business plan writer as well as a published author and adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if y'all do want somebody to write your business plan professionally for you, you don't want to mess around with templates, all you have to do is pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to do that. Also, I can do your financial projections for you with the business plan or just as a standalone document. Again, all you have to do is give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the star of the show, which is my Nail Salon business plan template. Here is the Word document. And once you open up the Word document, you're going to be greeted with the title page, which is right here. You can go ahead and put your company logo. And pretty much most of my clients are going to put their company logo here. Next page is the table of contents. So in the table of contents, once you update the business plan, you add your information to it. Just click on the table of contents, click on Update Table, click on Update Entire Table, click on OK, and then all your page numbers and all your headers will update for you. The next page, page 3, is going to be the executive summary. Whoops. In the executive summary, what you have included in this is going to be your nail salon summary, your target market information, financial highlights, and then funding request. Anywhere in yellow, you definitely want to go ahead and make sure your information is put in there. But I do also recommend reading through the whole plan and make sure that it's 100% reflects your vision. Company description. Again, we start off with a nail salon summary. Services offered, give you a good starting point for that. Just expand that information. Competitive advantage section. Primary target market section. Pricing strategy. Hours of operation location. A location section. And then business objectives and timeline, and this just tells the reader where you think you're going to be in 3 months, 6 months, and a year. Industry analysis, what I do is I have a subscription to IBIS World. In my opinion, they are the industry leader in industry research. I get my information from their reports. I'll summarize it and put it into the template. And here is where I cite it, give credit where credit is due. SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Just to update this chart, just click on the words and update the information as you see fit. Organizational structure, broken into 2 components or categories. One is the ownership section, the other is the organizational chart. Just update it again. Marketing section, I give you 3 marketing channels to go ahead and build upon. Traditional marketing, internet marketing, social media marketing. Funding request, this is just going to tell the reader how much money you need to expand or to start up your business, and the relevant information regarding your funding is in here as well. Financial projections of the financial model is going to include a segment where you can go ahead and calculate your profit and loss for year 1. It's broken into monthly for the first year as well as quarterly, month 1 through 3, quarter 1. Then we've got 4 through 6, quarter 2. Month 7 through 9, quarter 3. And then we've got month 10 through 12, quarter 4. So your profit and loss statement for 1 year is broken up again monthly and quarterly. And then also the financial model includes a pro forma income statement. And that's broken into annual projections for the next 5 years, year 1 through 5. And the pro forma income statement just summarizes your revenues, your expenses, your net profits. In order to update your financial statements, you do need to work on the financial model, which again is also included. The financial model for the Nail Salon business plan template has 4 tabs: your information page, your projection page, your profit and losses for again 12 months broken up monthly as well as quarterly, and your pro forma income statement, which is again your annual projections for the next 5 years. All of your changes you do want to make on the information page, specifically in the darker colored cells. Anywhere that you see darker colored cells, you can go ahead and put your information in there. As you update those cells, your projections, your profit and loss, and your income statement will update as well. Once you're done updating the cells, then just copy and paste the relevant financial statement into the Word document, and you'll be all set. Some of the sections that you can update would be the daily sales, your labor, month startup cost, monthly fixed cost, miscellaneous information, growth rates, and loan information. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. So if you are interested in purchasing my Nail Salon Business Plan template, you can do it at this link right here. When you do purchase it, it comes with a Word document, which I just introduced to y'all, as well as the financial model, which I just briefly introduced to y'all as well. And then what I didn't show y'all is that it also comes with a tutorials, and you can access these tutorials for free by going to this link right here. There are some limitations. First, you do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make the changes. And also, if you have any questions about the templates before you buy it, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a great conversation as to what you can expect from the business plan template. However, after you purchase it, I do not offer free phone support. I don't fill it in for you for free. If you do want me to fill it in for you or help you with the template and such, I'd be delighted to do so, but I do charge for that service. All right, so again, if you are interested in buying the template, the link is right here. And if you, on a final note, if you don't want to mess around with templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan or do your financial projections, feel free to check out my prices page right here, or give me a text or give me a call. My contact information is here. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.